The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Enjoy beautiful views of Table Rock Lake and the Ozark Mountains from the deck of this fully furnished condo at Lantern Bay Condos. Conveniently located minutes away from Silver Dollar City, Branson attractions, and the Strip. Natural light flows throughout the open floor plan and opens up to the updated back deck high in the trees. This condo has been completely updated with all new 6-panel doors and trim, custom cabinetry, granite countertops, paint, high-scale furnishing and new floors. Amenities include pool, hot tub, tennis court, playground, nature trails to Table Rock Lake to fish and swim from extended shoreline. Call today for a private showing.